Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use your gift card or how you can apply your gift card on Uber Eats. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Uber Eats on a web browser and type in the URL www.ubereats.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Uber Eats. Now all you need to do is get signed in your account and simply scroll down to the item you want to purchase, or simply you can also tap on the cart like icon on the top right hand side of the corner, and once you tap on it you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on the go to checkout option, and in the checkout option you will be redirected to the payment section. So once you're in this kind of section, you need to tap on add payment. Once you go there, you will find an option called gift card. So simply tap on gift card, and once you do this, you need to simply apply the code of your gift card. So once you apply the code, simply tap on the apply button, and after this you can use this gift card to proceed the payment of the item that you have purchased. So this is how you can add gift card on your Uber Eats through a website. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.